Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting a few requests on issues with the latch on the 3.0s. I don't know how the 4.0s are going to be because I don't have it yet. Should be here actually Friday, so I'll probably go over that. But one of the key things with this latch, it's a little bit finicky, and I'll show you a close up here in a little bit. With this open, there's a pin that sits right here that this slides into. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna grab the camera, bring it in here, and then we'll go through showing you how to work that. You have to be a little bit gentle with it. Just kind of maneuver it around and it will snap shut. It does need to latch shut. You do not want to try and tie this bike together without that latch shut because it will open and you will crash. I do not want to see that happen to anybody. So anyway, I want to go through this with you guys so everybody's safe and has a great time on their electric bikes. So let me grab the camera and we'll get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a pin right here and this ball goes into this cup right there. And then when you move this, this opens this latch to lock this pin in, and this holds it inside here. So I want to show you, if I open that up a little bit, you're not going to be able to get that to latch because there's a gap there. So what you want to do is pull that good and tight, and then you're going to bring this around, pull your lever, lift up on the latch a little bit to give you some space. And then once you feel it go past that, you want to hear that click and then pull on it and it will not come out. So when you pull on this lever, it releases this latch on the bottom underneath here and makes it so that it will open around this pin. Let me see if I can get you a little better view of that. So as you can see right here, see how that moves? And what you're trying to do is go around that pin right there. So when you pull this back, it releases around there. You want to bring this around, lift up on the handle, pull that, you'll feel it go past, and then it does take, whoop. When you pull it or push it, it'll snap in there, and then that will not come loose until you want to pull this lever back, and it comes loose. So you want to make sure you can move this with your fingers. Sometimes they're not quite as springy as that on different ones. So make sure that just fits in that pocket. You want to lift up so you get over the top of that pin. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. So you want to lift up to get it over the top of this pin right here. Lift up, go over, and then pull this lever so it releases and then snaps in. So just practice a few times, guys. It gets easier. Once you kind of figure out how to do it, it kind of becomes second nature. The key is to just lift up on this lever just a little bit. So I've had a few people not be able to get that latched, and it's a pretty common thing. It just takes a little bit of practice. So, just play with it in the garage or on the driveway or whatever. Again, just lift up just a little bit, pull the slide, and then go ahead and shut that. So other than that, guys, if you got any questions, leave it in the comments below. If there's anything you want to see, I'd be more than happy to show it to you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a ton. Really appreciate you guys being with me today. And we will see you guys on the next one. I've got a couple more videos coming out here real quick. So hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon. And that way you'll get notified that a new video is coming out. All right. Thanks, guys.